Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. My name is Deck Beauty. I'm based in United Kingdom, London. So I want to show you how to achieve this celebrant style Gele head wrap. The makeup was done off camera, done by me. This is black smoky makeup. Yeah, this my beautiful auntie. She's my customer almost 4 years now. Every year she normally do her photo shoot in my studio because here in London I have studio here where we do photo shoot, makeup. We are all in one beauty. Yes, the reason I'm using these pieces of Gele to do the base is because the material is not sufficient for me to create the type of style, the height and everything. So I just decided to use the leftover. We are so lucky that the leftover, she came with the leftover. The tailor gave her the leftover. So I said, let me use that to create zigzag front as the base. Okay, this is it. So we are trying to create the front pleaty. Normally we have the normal front pleaty. This one is not the normal front pleaty. This one is just the V. Some people call it V front, some people call it zigzag, but because the material is not long enough, that base, so the zigzag already end there. Now we are going to create the top. Yeah, this my beautiful customer. She's not the type that is so foxy. Like, she just needs something beautiful. She's not the type that you have there are so many customers that give us headache. She's not in that group. All she need is give me beautiful style. And anytime I want to do her makeup, she will just tell me, I don't want too much loud, but I need to look beautiful. I will just give it to her. Then that's it. Almost 4 years now, I'm the one doing her makeup since 4 years. Yes, so in case you want to book me, I'm based in London, but I'm available to travel. Go to my Instagram, Deck Beauty. We are into all in one beauty. We do photo shoots. We do makeup, Gele, as you can see. I am on the journey of the Gele. I have different styles of Gele. If you visit my Instagram, you will see different unique style there. So I create all styles if you have the material. If your material is sufficient enough, so we manage to give you what you want. And any type of makeup, we do the natural glam, we do loud, we do in between. And we give it to our customers the way they want it. I hope you are focusing on my hand. Very long time I said today I'm going to do voiceover. No need for music. Because since this year, it has been long since I used my voice. I know many of you are missing my voice. I know, to explain and to do voiceovers, the first thing you need a quiet place, and you must be conscious of what you say, what you are explaining. But if you add music will just be at the background. Okay, that's it. But today I said, let me do voiceover. So if you know you like my voice, you prefer me to be doing voiceover, write it on the comment section. If you prefer I should be adding music every time, write it on the comment section. Okay, this particular style, I really don't know the name, but I see many of my aunties, like people that are above 50, 40, let me just say for 50, because yes, I saw them, they are in love with this particular style since last year, 2024. So that is the reason I said, let me give it to this my beautiful auntie. Not that she mentioned the style, but I said, let me give it to her because I observed that she don't have this style. Because I am her makeup artist, and I'm the one that style her Gele for her. I saw all the styles that we already have, the pictures. So I said, let me do something different. So this was her second outfit That day she changed. She do 3 outfits. Yeah, and all the outfits she was looking so amazing. This is the second one. So I like this woman because she always celebrates herself. Some people don't understand this life. Life is just one. If you don't celebrate yourself, waiting for people to celebrate you, you are mixing it. If you don't do party, maybe party is stressful, at least take picture each year, do photo shoot. You can do just one outfit, but celebrate yourself, package yourself, have at least treat yourself good. Yourself, your body, you are the one working hard. Except if you are the type that don't work hard. If you are the type that work hard, you deserve the good. You deserve to treat yourself good. At least once in a year. Your birthday is only once in a year. We adults, we don't say we want to buy Christmas clothes for ourselves, we want to buy New Year clothes. It's only children. But at least our birthday, this is the final, yes. Before we start taking pictures, yes, let me see. This is the final. I have this throne share. It's on my studio. I have different thrones. I have different shares. So we'll do different posing, different style. Then I'll put music. You will dance with the music you like. Any favorite music you like, I'll put it. Then you will use it to dance. That's it, my people. That is my number there in case you want to contact me. I do everything. I do hair installation. I do okuku. I do the Igbo traditional, anything traditional bridal hair, anything white wedding hair, anything makeup, gele, anything photo shoot, all beauty. We are all in one beauty. And recently, we start whitening teeth. Thank you. See you on my next video. Drop your comment down below. See you on my work. Or any picture you see, anything you see here are my job. Follow me in all my social media. Yes, follow me for everywhere. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Follow me. But Instagram, see all my styles. Instagram is where you see most of my job. Thank you. See, these are all my work. We sell perfume. We sell makeup product as well. Contact me. See you on my next video. See my Facebook, everything. Bye-bye.